What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another major market breakdown. I'm Drip Sparrow. If you haven't already seen one of these major market breakdowns, I know I've been away from the major market breakdowns for a few weeks because of getting so much put together with the network. We had launched a few new shows on the channel, so go check those out if you haven't already. But we're getting back into doing it every Sunday, making sure y'all tapped into into the markets to make sure y'all know what's going on. All right, so we're gonna actually before we get into it, go ahead and hit that sub button. Go ahead, tap it. Go ahead, tap it. You here for some sauce? You finna get some sauce, but go ahead, tap that button. All right, but now let's get into it. All right, DXY. We got Powell speaking the other day on future rate cuts pushing the dollar higher. As you can see, we got this big old back-to-back green candles that push us into a little higher consolidation. Now, right now, I'm expecting the dollar to go higher and continue higher. If anything, on the market open, we'll see it test out this support right here, and if anything, that'll probably open up a slight buying opportunity on the dollar. But we'll see what she looks like at this level. I'll get into what I'm trading specifically this week, which will be NASDAQ. Now, I have this here, but this is kind of like my it's kind of like my fail safe for what I'll be looking for if my initial trade on the week isn't panning like I think it will. I'm looking for Nas to go back higher, despite all of this you see right here. But if this level fails here that it's at, then we'll probably see a little ping pong and some slightly more down push for the week, and then we'll start seeing some more buying come back into the market next week. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is what I see for this week. If we don't start seeing buys early in the week, then we're probably gonna see a scenario something like this. And those buys early in the week should put us above this little resistance area here. You know, give us some little cushion from these away from these lows. But I do kind of feel like Nas kind of want to go see about this low, but I could be wrong. So preparing for both directions, understanding how to trade, reacting to the markets is one of the staples in the precision trading guide that we have here at TDB. The only other thing I will be trading this week, honestly, will be GPJPY, and it'll be to the downside. And I'll tell you why. Actually, let's go back to Nasdaq. Well, actually, no. Let's stay here because kind of correlate a little bit, but not correlate, but similar examples of how I trade. But we got price diverging. We got D1 divergence off the highs coming up through all of this this little slight rally above the 200 EMA that we have. So we could be seeing her go back and dip towards the 200 EMA some more, because this divergence isn't over yet. It fell off, but it didn't actually like sell off. It just kind of stayed within this little trend. So we're not really seeing much reaction from it yet. So, but if price keeps diverging and then doesn't get above, let's see, this high here and build above this high here, then I'll expect her to go break this low and probably go a little bit lower, targeting some of these areas here. But like I said, that's if the current levels fail. All right, so these current levels hold, then we'll probably see her go back towards these highs she made before, up here towards this 198.5 level, possibly even pressing up on 199 heavy. And those are honestly the only two things I'll be trading this week. And I want to start having the market breakdowns more concise to like just what I'm trading. Like I can tell you what I think Euro USD is doing, what I think AUD USD is doing. I can tell you what I think everything's doing, but I don't think it matters that much unless it's what I'm profiting off of, what I'm benefiting from, what is getting the bulk of my focus. And I feel like if I'm giving you something that's not in the bulk of my focus, then it's just more risky for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna kind of rein these Sunday analysis in to just what I'm trading on the week. And some weeks I'll be trading more pairs than others. Some weeks I'll only be trading 2. Some weeks I'll be trading 5. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a matter of how I feel about the markets. And there's a lot of things really choppy right now. So I don't want to give you analysis on too much, because then you might be like, oh, I want to trade this. I want to trade the other ones that he was talking about, but I'll trade this one that he was talking about. Seemed like you know what he's talking about. All this is right, but this one, it didn't go so perfect. Well, you know what I mean? That was probably one of the choppy ones. So I don't want to put anybody in those type of positions. You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna focus on what I'm actually trading specifically. But if there's something that like you just absolutely love to trade, it's your favorite thing to trade, let me know in the comments, and you know we can phase it in here and there, because I want to make sure that I'm giving y'all the content that you know benefits y'all the most. You know what I'm saying? So that's it for this one. Let me know in the comments if y'all have any questions. The course is coming. The trading course is coming. It's a full precision trading guide by me. A little bit of, I don't want to give too much away, but it's basically everything that I do when I trade. When I trade specifically, like I use like 3 or 4 different tools and signals, I guess you'd say. Not really signals, but you know, flags from the market to let me know what's going on. And the course is going through those specifically and how I use them. So if you feel like you can benefit from that, definitely stay tuned, because when the course drops and it's, you know, out there and for sale and stuff, and I'm definitely let y'all know. You know what I'm saying? But it'll be right around either on New Year's or right after New Year's when the course drops. So come 2025, y'all gonna get the actual sauce. I know there's a lot of courses out there, there's a lot of gurus out there, there's a lot of people that say, oh, I'll teach you how to trade, but this course actually does it. You know what I'm saying? It's precision trading. It's meant for you to not only know how to take a trade, but know how to look at the markets the right way without being skewed by so many different big words and stuff like that. So if you look forward to that, hit that like button, hit that sub button, and hit that bell icon so you can get notified when I keep dropping these videos. All right? I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one.